we're here at our spring open house. We're gonna do a couple adjustments here. So first up we have Zach, and he's got some low back pain. We're just gonna feel around here. We feel it right in there. Is that where your pain's at?
Yep.
All right. You can turn on your side and face me. Don't move the camera. And relax. Take a little breath. And roll over. All right, let's stand up. How's it feel?
Good.
All right. Now we're gonna see Preston. Come on. Can you lay face down for me? All right. Are you having any pain today, Preston? No? Go ahead, take a big breath for me. Good. And again, big breath. Good. Can you flip over? And lay flat for me. Good, good. So remember what we did to your neck the other day? Yeah? Can we do that again? Yeah? Alright. Take a little breath. And one more. Little breath. Good. Alright, go ahead and sit up. How you feel? Good. Good?